Myself, Abhishek Jain. Today I am going to tell you something about myself, my projects, my company I've been into, and my education qualifications. I've been BTech from a college near Delhi in the year 2004 in the stream Electronics and Communication. It is a 4-year degree. After that, I've been working in a company called Technovet eSolutions Private Limited, which is an e-bookers UK operations into India. Then I also worked in a company called Library Convergence Limited. I have also worked in a capacity as a freelancer. Now let me tell you about some projects I have done. The last project I was working in was Kiosk Web Solution. It has various parts. The first part was a CMS which I developed and I maintained later on. It also has some synchronization scripts. Now Kiosk Web Solution is like a client-server architecture. My role was there to develop a client, to manage a client rather, by a central repository. Repository means it has some content inside it, which has to be delivered to the client, spread all across the country of India, that is. It was a special CMS in the sense that it was specialized software, CMS for maintaining the content, value-added content given up by a supplier or a content provider, and which has to be delivered to the kiosk. Kiosk is a self-standing structure which accepts money and delivers the content. It was a complex system. Complex in the sense like each value-added content for a mobile, like a ringtone, a game, may not be same for each of the mobile. Now, for each mobile, we have different formats. For different mobiles, we have different formats. A game may be compatible to a particular mobile handset and may not be compatible for a different handset. And moreover, we have a lot of number of mobiles for the same content. Now my role, as I already mentioned, I developed the CMS and I maintain the code. I work there in the technology like Perl, AJAX, Linux, MySQL, XML, etc. These are the main suites I worked in library. Now my different other project was called TTL, that is Travel Technology Layer. It's basically a sandwich layer between the front end of a travel ticket booking site and the back end or the booking engine, which is called the AFO. It was a project again in Perl and built on a POE, Perl Object Environment, which is a multitasking environment for Perl. I also worked in PHP projects, simple e-commerce solutions like shopping cart, gas books, photograph manager, etc. Now, other projects I would like to mention is Google Talk Bot. It's basically an autoresponder. It's made on Jabber XMPP protocol. It's basically an automatic responder. You say hi on a Google contact, which is backed up by my library, and it will say hello. You say you there, it will say yes I am. You ask any question which is predefined to be understood by the bot, and it will reply automatically. The other project which I was worked in is called Email to Mobile or Email on Move software. It's like an email alert application. Any email coming, for example, to Abhishek at emailonmove.com will be forwarded to a particular mobile of Abhishek and to his personal mailbox. Now, Abhishek will receive this email on his mobile as a text. So, it's like an alert also. And it don't require a GPS connection or a BlackBerry for that matter. It can be received on a simple network via a text. So, it is cheaper and it covers a larger audience which has lower end mobiles as well. It was built on Linux, CentOS. It was built using a mail server called Postfix and MySQL as a database and PHP as a front end, and Perl script for the conversion between a mail and an SMS text. These are the major projects I've done. Thanks.